Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. And today I bought this. It is a multi-tool that has... Oh, in case I'm trying to record and do this at the same time. Just dang it. There you go. A multi-tool that has pliers, a wire cutter, a fingernail file, a knife, bottle opener, and a can opener, a screwdriver, and some other things. I don't really know. And then, so, we're going to be doing some tests. And if we hit 5 likes, then I would do some more videos with this in it. And also, I don't really like saying just, hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I want a catchphrase for my intro. Comment down below what you think I should say. Like Just Dustin, he says, so see what you comment down below what you think. Okay? And so we're gonna be doing some tests real quick. First test. Can I pick these scissors? These scissors up these. And yeah, that was pretty easy. Ooh. And I also have this knife here. I'm going to show you how that works real quick. See, like, when it's at the top, it's locked. I can't press the button. But when it's at the bottom, it's unlocked. And I can press the button and it'll open. So it's basically a switchblade. Isn't that what it's called? Switchblade. I want to save that real quick. Do some of you think that I'm weird and obnoxious? Comment down below about that. I really don't know what to do now. I guess, well, if you want to see more videos with this in it, this multi-tool, then leave a like, and if we get 5 likes, then I will do another video with this in it. And I hope you enjoyed today's short, very, very short video. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye!